We are Lacaida Ropes. We are the only creators of metered ropes in the world. We're going to delve into the world of these remarkable ropes and discover why they're the epitome of safety, simplicity, and overall excellence when it comes to rappelling, multi-pitch climbing, rope management, guidebook precision, and efficient packing. Join us as we learn from George Cedric Beaker, a certified single pitch instructor and assistant rock and alpine guide.
Let's talk about why metered ropes are advantageous in a single and/or multi-pitch setting. When ascending in the single or multi-pitch setting, metered ropes can have significant advantages. When your pitch distance are known, your belayer can call up to you when the metered distances become obvious. Say you have a 25-meter pitch. When the metered markings at 20 meter appear, your belayer can yell up to you, "You're at 20 meters," identifying that you're close to your anchor point. One of my favorite aspects of working with metered ropes is working in unknown terrain. If I'm not sure how much rope I have left, with a normal rope, I call down to my belayer and they estimate the distances of rope that I have left. With a metered rope, my belayer can look near their belay device, call out the metered marking, and be accurate in their assessment. Metered markings allow for precise rope management, they eliminate guesswork, and they minimize the risk of running out of rope mid-climb.
When we designed the patent around metered ropes, we did it with the climber in mind, focusing on counting down from the midpoint, which is banded here and marked midpoint, towards the ends of the rope. It counts down in both directions simultaneously, first by ones until it gets to the first 5 mark, and then by 5s, and then again by 1s once it hits the number 5, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The idea being that the acceleration or the shorter frequency of markings will alert the climber to both the approach of the midpoint and the approach of the ends of the rope. It's also useful because anyone who climbs knows that if you climb long enough, you're going to wear out your rope. And sometimes it wears out at the ends before the midpoint, so 95% plus of the rope is salvageable if you just can cut off that first meter or 2. The benefit of meter markings is that it allows you to quickly identify where to cut. And if you cut the same length from both sides, whether that's 1, 2 meters or more, you know exactly not only where to cut, but how long your rope is because you've lost the first meter or second meter. And so a 50 meter becomes a 48 meter rope, and you preserve your rope for longer without having to measure or remember where to cut.
Using a metered rope while climbing can also improve the accuracy of guidebooks and crowdsourced information like Mountain Project. Guidebooks usually provide pitch lengths in meters or feet. Using a metered rope and matching the information in a guidebook to information in the field is easy. When you come up to your metered mark, you're identifying where the anchors are or the end of the pitch is. When updating information, crowdsourced information like Mountain Project, it can be really nice to have a metered rope because accuracy in route development and/or crowdsourced information when you're posting on Mountain Project, using a metered rope can allow you to identify exact pitch lengths, improving information and accuracy and thus mitigating risk in new environments. Metered markings can be very beneficial when deploying or packaging up your rope, identifying how many meters of the rope that you need, your midpoint, or any other information on the rope that is practical. One thing that I like myself as a mountain guide is the metered markings are quick and easy to allow me to adjust the distance of the rope in undulating terrain. Steep 3rd, exposed 4th class terrain, or low pitches of 5th, allow me to identify, say, 20 meters of rope very quick, put the rest of the rope away, and deploy what's needed in the terrain.
When descending via rappelling or lowering a climber, a metered climbing rope provides significant advantages. If the descent distance is known, markings on the rope help identify where on the wall you can expect your next rappel anchors to be. or easily identify when you are nearing the end of your rope, thus mitigating risks in passing necessary anchors in a multi-pitch context or rappelling off the end of your ropes. Metered ropes can also be particularly useful when descending into unknown terrain or easily identifying the middle of the rope. In emergency situations, having the ability to quickly estimate remaining rope length can be crucial. The metered markings allow you to assess how much rope is left before you reach the ground or the next anchor point. This allows more problem solving and mitigation in more dynamic environments. Using a metered climbing rope offers numerous advantages, from improved safety during rappelling to efficient multi-pitch climbing, accurate rope management, and faster rope identification. Whether you're an experienced climber or just starting, choosing a metered rope will enhance your climbing and provide a safer experience overall. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. Make sure to receive proper training and consult with experienced individuals or guides before engaging in climbing activities.